What's driving markets? Welcome to Market Take. Each week, we'll bring you our insights on the latest market and economic trends that are impacting investments. I'm your host, Wei Li, Global Chief Investment Strategist at BlackRock. The signposts that we have been monitoring include tangible evidence of actions that could restart the flow through the Strait of Hormuz, and also visibility on lingering macro impact being contained. The fact that they accept to start talks is concrete evidence of the economic incentives to stop the war. But for this to be ultimately positive for markets, we do need to see flow through the strait to pick up, which we're monitoring daily. Meanwhile, equity valuations have become cheaper as earning expectations are revised higher. U.S. and emerging markets are driving these earnings upgrades, and there is a common theme, which is AI and tech. In emerging markets, Asian companies that produce semiconductors and chips are driving the earnings upgrades, and it's the same story in the U.S. Tech is driving earnings upgrades in the U.S., and within tech, semiconductors are driving earnings upgrades. So the view changes. We're bringing up U.S. equities and emerging market equities from neutral to modest overweight, funding that from front-end European rates. And we continue to emphasize themes that are accelerated by events in the Middle East, such as defense, power, and infrastructure. For details, read our market commentary on a weekly basis. Go to www.blackrock.com/weekly-commentary. Thank you for tuning in. If you have enjoyed this episode, subscribe to Market Take wherever you get your podcasts.
This content is for informational purposes only and is not an offer or a solicitation. Reliance upon information in this material is at the sole discretion of the listener. In the UK and non-European Economic Area countries, this is authorised and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority. In the European Economic Area, this is authorised and regulated by the Netherlands Authority for the Financial Markets. Reference to the names of each company mentioned in this communication is merely for explaining the investment strategy and should not be construed as investment advice or investment recommendation of those companies. For full disclosures, go to blackrock.com/corporate/compliance/bid-disclosures.